Hello again. So now we have Pioneer 2050. It's from late 1980s and early 1990s. So we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette deck, the lights, and later I'm gonna show you how to activate the Bluetooth. Okay? So
Castle ti informuoja, kad ženkliai didėjate.
radio works perfect. Now the cassette. Let's go forward. Now backwards. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are working perfect. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you how to activate the Bluetooth. So FM mode, standard radio. Now you have to press MW, which means middle wave. It's useless radio, we don't use it anymore. So simply push this button. Now the Bluetooth is activated. You can go to your phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple seconds, and this one, the bottom one. Bluetooth is activated. Now we'll go to YouTube channel and play any music we want. Cool, right? Let's try another song. What's happening? Oh, ads, of course. 1 second. And the radio itself, for its age, I think it sounds really good. So, you want to back to normal, simply switch FM mode. And now you're on regular radio. That's it. Thumbs up, guys.